So I wanted to make a scope on why Dave Ramsey's approach didn't work for me or don't work for me, right? And why learning cash flow strategies and income shifting is better than budgeting and then a budget. So, Dave Ramsey approach of paying everything in cash, not building your credit, that's really against my philosophy. I believe in building your credit. I build other people's credit. Simply because you can use that as a tool, as a strategy, right? You know, I'm a coach of using other people's money at a low interest rate, right, to invest in assets or things that will return you money and have a higher interest rate, right? At some point, everyone that lives have two objectives, and they want one of their objectives is to someday have their money working for them, and you not always having to work for your money, right? So you want to have your money working for you, and you not always having to work for it, because number one, money that makes more money is taxed less, right? And then money that makes more money without your labor is less stress, right? So those are two great reasons why you want to position yourself to have your money work for you. Now, also, Dave Ramsey is high on the budget. I'm not against the budget. I'm not saying don't budget, don't cut costs when you can, but that budgeting, cutting back on your cup of coffee, cutting back on your cable bill, switching to Netflix, whatever ways, couponing, that's not what's causing you to be a negative cash flow, right? Or causing you to not being able to position yourself to get wealthy financially. It's negative cash flow. And what do I mean by that? Some people have never heard of cash flow. I teach cash flow and income shifting strategies. You can visit my website, www.moneymindsetmoves.com. And what these strategies do is help you to legally learn how to reduce your taxable income, right? Have less taxes, and to become, thank you for the heart, to become an employee and entrepreneur, right? So now that you can claim more allowances and more deductions for the things that you're doing every day anyway. For example, the internet that you use, that you're paying your internet bill at home. I'm exercising. Can you hear me? I'm exercising. I'm teaching cash flow strategy. That's what I'm doing. Periscope Live. Things that you're doing anyway, driving, putting gas in your car. Utilities, a percent of the utilities, right? That you're paying, whether you're renting or you have a mortgage. Thank you for the hearts. Now these things become tax write-off for you. So now throughout the year, you're not giving Uncle Sam, for example, your money. More money now is being in your paycheck and your purse, right? And you're keeping more of your money throughout the year to do things that will help you now have positive cash flow. And so what cash flow is, simply put, instead of you getting your paycheck and now you're paying taxes, right? Thank you for the hearts, thank you for the hearts, thank you for the digital love. Now you get your paycheck and you pay expenses, right? And then you get taxed on a lower tax bracket, right? So in essence, if you make $80 and now you're positioning yourself to pay the government out of that $80, let's say $8, right? Because that's 10% tax, and you bring home 72 versus you can pay $80, and now you're in a 33% tax bracket that most employees are in, and you're bringing home $56. So you use that money to fight the next income killer or the chainsaw massacre, and that's bad debt. See, most people think that most of their money is going to their mortgage or their rent, their vehicle notes. That's not true. Most of your paycheck, a third of your paycheck, is going in taxes, and people don't have a financial education or knowledge to know that taxes can be controlled. All you have to do is tap into home-based business deduction, like the business that I'm in, right? And the government gives you 3 years to claim losses as an entrepreneur, as you are an employee on your job, because they want to boost the economy and they want people to start and initiate businesses, right, throughout the United States. So they give you incentive, they give you breaks that people are not aware of, and you can write off your everyday living and your everyday expenses. I tell people all the time, if you're driving your vehicle and you're not tapped into the system, for every 2 miles you drive, you might well get a stack of $1 bill and throw it out the passenger window, and that's the money that you're missing, hundreds and thousands of dollars of tax deductions. Now, the good thing about it is only $47, a one-time payment of $47 to become a marketing director, right, with this program, and then an ongoing fee of $34 a month. The $34 a month is to help you keep, you download an app that comes with it. It helps you keep records of your income or your business deductions. You can store it in the cloud. You take pictures of your receipt. If you are going out for dinner with a friend and you discuss the business with them, then it allows you to take a picture of the receipt and record that just for your tax preparer. And if you have a tax preparer that's not aware of these business tax deductions, I will connect you with one. And so now you can make that adjustment to your W-4, I call it W-4 Wealth, and get money on the, thank you for the digital heart, on the other end. Now, by things you was going to pay anyway. You was going to pay your utilities anyway. Now they, a percentage of it become a tax write-off. You was going to pay your rent and mortgage anyway. But now square footage of that space now becomes tax deductible. You was going to drive your vehicles anyway. You was going to put gas in your vehicles anyway. You was going to go out to eat with friends and family anyway. But now that's a marketing expense for your business, whether they decide to join or not. You don't have products to sell. You don't have inventory to keep up with. You don't have supplies shipping in. And every supply you do buy or use for business purpose, thank you for the digital heart, it becomes money in your pockets. So now the second thing that's hurting your paycheck, besides your taxes, a third of your paycheck, is banks. The banks and government. It's not the budget. It's the banks and government, right? How does the bank hurt you? Well, now because you have negative cash flow and you have more taxes being taken out of your paycheck, you have to get loans, right? You have to get in credit card debt. And so getting in loans and credit card debt, and also this business had a credit education component to it. I'm a credit coach as well, but a basic credit education component comes with it. So we're teaching to capitalize on your credit and your cash flow. And then if you have advanced credit issues that this program, all of this comes for $34 a month, does not address, then you have me. I'm the queen of credit and cash flow to refer to. So now instead of getting loans and getting in debt and they're charging you interest, you start acquiring loans, right? And you flip the script and you get low interest rate that to purchase things that will you can now start investing, right? And so it's so many strategies. Visit my website, www.Money Mindset Moves. You can join today for $47, $34 a month. And if you want to know some additional information about it, more about inflation and debt, what's killing your paycheck, what's stopping you from getting wealthy, I have a website, 10 free videos. Thank you for the hearts at www.mycashflowispower.com. All right, back to my